Hi, welcome back to the Westside Programming channel. Before we start, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Working with @import rule in CSS. The @import rule in CSS imports external style sheets into a CSS file or within the style tag in an HTML document. This allows for the modularization of styles and helps with the better organization of CSS. How import rule works. Import external style sheets. The @import rule is placed at the beginning of a CSS file or inside a style tag before other CSS rules. Importing Google Fonts. Media queries with @import. This example demonstrates an animated login form using the @import rule to organize styles into external files and use Google Fonts. How this example works. Uses @import to load an external CSS file, styles.css. Uses @import to load Google Fonts. Creates an animated login form with smooth transitions, shadows, and interactive elements. Includes media queries for responsiveness. Step 1. Create styles.css, external CSS file. Save this file as styles.css in the same directory as your HTML file. Step 2. Create index.html HTML file. Using @import for external style sheets. The styles.css file is imported using @import URL styles.css inside the style tag. This keeps the HTML file clean and modular. Importing Google Fonts. The @import rule loads the Roboto font from Google Fonts. Advanced styling techniques. Gradient background. The body uses a linear gradient background for a modern UI. Hover effects. The login box slightly enlarges. Transform, scale, 1.05, when hovered. Input fields change border color when focused, border color, #FF758C. The login button has a smooth color transition on hover. Responsive design. A media query ensures the form adapts to smaller screens, max width, 400 px. Key benefits of using @import. Clean and organized code. Keeps CSS separate from HTML. Reusable styles. Easily manage styles across multiple pages. Easy font management. Import Google Fonts efficiently. Scalability. Useful in large projects with multiple style sheets. When you open the index.html file in a browser, a modern login form appears in the center of the screen with a gradient background. Hover effects. The form grows slightly on hover. Input fields highlight when focused. The login button changes color smoothly. Responsive behavior. On small screens, the form adjusts its width. This example demonstrates how @import can be used for importing external style sheets and fonts while building a beautiful, interactive login form with animations and responsiveness.